Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the Alpinestars Force short riding glove. Okay, the Force short riding gloves retail for $84.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's jump into sizing first. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on now with these. They fit and feel exactly as I would expect. This is a cool weather short riding glove. On the back of the hand, let's first point out that Monster Energy logo. Anybody who's watched my videos over the years knows I'm addicted to this stuff. I love it. I love all things Monster. Love that logo on there. It looks super cool. The only thing they could do to make it better is make it the blue low carb, I think, instead of the traditional green. But whatever, it's cool. Back of the hand of the glove has a windproof material, right? Palm of the glove, they're using leather. It's got a nice feel to it. Touchscreen compatible on the thumb, as well as the index finger. Like a lot of the newest gloves in the Alpinestars catalog, they have that stretch fabric they're using between the index finger and the thumb. What that does is it just makes the glove more comfortable. When you got your hands on the bars, right, especially if they're a little tight right here, instead of pulling on the glove, right, it just allows it to stretch, makes the riding experience that much better. Back of the hand is going to be a soft shell fabric. Got an additional layer of leather here with some energy absorbing foam underneath in the high impact zone there on the palm. A grip panel where your hands are going to touch the bars. Entry and exit is done right here with Velcro. Soft shell, A-Stars logo right there. All in all, this is a reasonable pair of gloves. They're going to be primarily focused for cooler weather riding. Not cold riding, right? There's not a ton of insulation here, but they do have that wind blocking fabric on the back. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.